Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I bought two opportunities for you guys. One is a software engineer role and second one is a software developer intern role. The first company is honestly one of the most high level fresher opportunity I have recently seen, especially if you are into backend and cloud engineering. Now, before you ignore this thinking, bro, this looks too advanced, listen carefully because this role is actually designed in a way where they train you while making you work on real production level systems. And the biggest highlight is this is a remote opportunity across India and compensation can go around 25 LPA plus. Yes, for a fresher level software engineering opportunity. Now, let me explain why this role is different from normal backend developer jobs. Here, you will be basically working on core systems using technologies like Kubernetes, Go, and Python. And this is not a normal role, they clearly mentioned end to end ownership. That means you may work on something from development till deployment, observability, debugging, monitoring, and validating inside clusters. Now, let me simplify what exactly you will be doing here. You may work on Kubernetes deployments, services, logs, Helm charts, and Terraform infrastructure setup. You will also be writing small features, validating system, and understand how production infrastructure actually works. You will also get exposure to CI/CD workflows, containers, cloud provisioning, monitoring systems, and orchestration. And honestly, these are the exact skills that high paying product companies usually look for. Now, coming to eligibility, they are mainly looking for candidates pursuing computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, or related field. But even if you have strong projects and good fundamentals, you can still have a chance. They want good programming knowledge in at least one language like Go, Python, C++, or Rust. And don't worry if you don't know everything deeply. Even they mentioned that they will teach Kubernetes depth and architecture during the role. You should also know basic Git and Linux commands. Now, one thing I really liked about this job description is that they are looking for problem solvers. They especially mentioned puzzle style debugging, for example, understanding why a workload restarted, why something failed, or why logs are behaving strangely, basically real engineering thinking. And honestly, this is what separates strong engineers from normal developers. Preferred skills include Docker, container, cloud exposure, network basic like HTTP and DNS, Terraform, and Kubernetes. Now let's talk about the salary because this is where the crazy part is. Freshers can get around 25 plus LPA depending on your role and performance. So yes, this is definitely one of the highest paying opportunity in today's video. And if you are interested in backend, then this opportunity is good one. Now moving to the second opportunity, the company name is Zensar and they are hiring for the role of Copilot Studio Developer. Location is Pune and the experience required is 0 to 4 years. Now this role is mainly focused on AI agents, automation, power platform and conversational AI systems. So if you are interested in AI tools, automation or Microsoft ecosystem, this role can actually be very interesting. Your main work here will include designing and building AI agents using Copilot Studio. You will work on conversational flows, topic routing, orchestration, adaptive cards, and RAG based responses to modern AI automation systems. They also mention enterprise integrations, governance, and security controls. So, this is not just prompt engineering, it's more about building actual AI workflows for enterprise use case. Now, coming to the required skills, they are looking for Copilot Studio, Power Platform development, and API integration. And if you have exposure to AI conversational system or enterprise AI solutions, that becomes an added advantage. Now, the interesting thing is, even though the role sounds niche, they are accepting candidates from 0 to 4 years of experience. Education wise, any graduate and even postgraduate can apply. Also, they have listed a lots of additional skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL Server. So overall, this role is suitable for full stack developers. Now, salary for this role can range around 5 to 6 LPA depending on your experience and skills. So yeah guys, these were the two opportunities. First one is a hardcore backend role and second one is a AI related role. So depending on your interest and skills, you can apply accordingly. And as always, apply as soon as possible because these opportunities already have applicants increasing very fast. All the application link in the description box. And guys, if you want any updates regarding particular domain jobs, make sure to comment down so I can bring those opportunities in front of you and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.